To the 4, the 6, they're 8, shunning trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play. Mountain, no sheds or far away. Down the hills and around the bends, Sunset Shimmer and her friends. Sunset Shimmer, she's the cheeky one. Spotlight sparkle is vain but lots of fun. Applejack pulls the mail on time. A Rainbow Dash thunders down the line. A line. Pinkie Pie really knows her stuff. Fluttershy toots and huffs and puffs. Princess Luna wants to help and share. Laura, well, let's say she's square. They're 2, the 4, the 6, they're 8, shunning trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play. Long Tidmouth sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the bends, Sunset Shimmer and her friends. Sunset Shimmer and her friends. Pinkie Pie really knows her stuff. Fluttershy toots and huffs and puffs. Princess Luna wants to help and share. Laura, well, let's say she's square. Laura, well, let's say she's square. They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8, shunning trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play. Long Tidmouth sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the bends, Sunset Shimmer and her friends. Sunset Shimmer and her friends. All with different roles to play. Round Tidmouth sheds or far away. Pinkie Pie really knows her stuff. Fluttershy toots and huffs and puffs. Princess Luna wants to help and share. Laura, well, let's say she's square. Laura, well, let's say she's square. They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8, shunning trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew.
Oh no, I'm the 6 square. Well, let's say she's square.